Hey guys, so we're back, and today we're going to be installing the Demon Grill with LED light bar from AMOFFROAD. Again, fairly simple install. All you're going to need is a flathead screwdriver and some wiring tools to help you wire up that light bar. And the first thing you're going to want to do is take you a flathead screwdriver, and you're going to pop these little grooves out like so. Fairly simple. Just like so, and you'll do that all the way down through here to get your old grill off. So now that you've got your old grill off, it's time to get your new grill on and get it wired up first. There's a couple different ways you can do it. You can use wire nuts, these male and female wire tips, or even better, where you don't have to strip any wire, these little clamps here, and it just wires them right all together. So you get your wires ran. I've got mine ran right through here. And see, then just use a wire nut, wire up. You got a negative and a positive. Super simple, super easy. Then once you've got that wired up, then you're ready to put your grill on. And to get that grill on, just how you took your old one off, it's just gonna be reverse. You're gonna push it on there, get it mounted, and you're just gonna pop all of them down into place. And then your install should be complete. Give it a good test run. Make sure everything comes on correctly. And that should be what it looks like. This is what your finished product will look like. That is not the LED light bar that comes with the grill. That's what the cool part is about this grill, is you can swap out those light bars. They've got red, white, or blue stars and stripes, and then just a regular LED light bar. So thanks again for watching. That's been the install on the AMOFFROAD Demon Grill with the LED light bar. Again, mine, I went with the white stars and stripe. Go check it out, man. Use the discount code, get 10% off, and customize your ride.